Good morning and Happy New Year. Good morning and Happy New Year. I was still waiting for others to join, but now the number is good, we can start. So I'll just go straight away.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
A very good Happy New Year to you. I'll go straight away and share the screen with you. So can someone read for us question number one? A show of hands. Damian.
Kuongea kando yangu.
Can someone read for us question number one? Yes. Who is this? Let me appoint Ivan Jonah. I say mute again. I am at him.
A match lasts 90 minutes with a break of 15 minutes at halftime. The referee allows for 5 minutes extra for injuries and stoppages. What time does a match which kicks off at 2:30 p.m. ends?
Yeah, so the first thing we will do in that case, we will find the total time taken. The total time taken. We will find the total time taken. So total time taken. Total time taken. We will add. The question is reading that a match lasts for 90 minutes. So the first time taken in that case, the first part of the match, always we know that a match lasts for 90 minutes. Always we know that a match lasts for 90 minutes. Hey, Biniana Sebedo. Hey, hey. So I've said that the first part of the match will take 90 minutes. Then the second for stoppages and the rest, that is half time, will last for 15 minutes, then 5 minutes for injuries. So when you add all this, you will get a total of 110 minutes. You will get a total of 110 minutes. You will get a total of 110 minutes. So we will convert this one into hours, where it will be 1 hour, 50 minutes. It will be 1 hour, 50 minutes. Then the stopping time for the match, we will treat it as arrival time. We will treat it as arrival time, where we know that arrival time is given by departure time plus total time taken. So 2:30 plus 1 hour, 50 minutes, 2:30 plus 1 hour, 50 minutes, 2:30 plus 1 hour, 50 minutes will give us 80. This one is 3. And 80, we know it exceeds. 80, it exceeds a lapse of 1 hour. So we will have to subtract 60, which is equivalent to 1 hour. Hence, here we will be having 4:20 p.m. There we will be having 4:20 p.m. There we will be having 4:20 p.m. There we will be having 4:20 p.m. We will be having 4:20 p.m. Next question. Next question, who will read for us the next question? The next question. I'm still admitting others are still joining. Moti, read for us the next question.
A wholesaler buys a bicycle from a manufacturer for shillings 5,800. He sells to a retailer trader and makes a profit of 10%. The retail trade sells to a customer and makes 30% profit. Find the amount that the customer pays if allowed a discount of 10%.
Yes, thank you. The question reads that a wholesaler buys a bicycle from a manufacturer at 5,800. He sells to a retail trader and makes a profit of 10%. The retail trader sells to a customer and makes a 30% profit. Find the amount that the customer pays if allowed a discount of 10%. Find the amount that the customer pays if allowed a discount of 10%. Now, let us do the analysis. So a wholesaler buys a bicycle from a manufacturer. So the wholesaler, the buying price for the wholesaler, the buying price for the wholesaler stands at 5,800. Stands at 5,800. The buying price for the wholesaler stands at 5,800. Then he sells to a retail trader and makes a profit of 10%. So we want to get the selling price. The selling price for the wholesaler. So always we know that the cost price or the buying price, it is always at 100%. Then if 100% is equivalent to 5,800. Therefore, selling price will be in equivalence to 110. Because selling price, it is buying price plus what? Plus profit. It is buying price plus profit. Now we will cross multiply 110 times 5,800 all over 100 will give us, who will give us the answer? This and this will cancel, that zero and that zero will cancel. Who will give us the answer? Daniel Mutai?
6380.
1,308.
What, read in pairs?
6380.
6380. The answer is 63 what? 6380. The answer is 6380. Then the retail trader sells to a customer and makes a profit of 30% and makes a profit of 30% and makes a profit of 30%. Also, so now this one here will be the buying price for who? For the resale trader, for the retail trader. This one also will be the buying price for the retail trader. It will be the buying price for the retail trader. So if 100% is equivalent to 6380. If 100% is equivalent to 6380. Therefore, 130% will be what? Therefore, 130% will be what? Kindly, can you give me like 1 minute? I look for another pen. Huh? This one is not giving me some easy time. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for being patient.
Welcome.
Now let us continue. So the retail trader sells to a customer and makes a 30% profit. Find the amount that the customer pays if allowed a discount of 10%. If allowed a discount of 10%. If allowed a discount of 10%. So what we will do, we will calculate the selling price for the retailer. The selling price for the retailer. So the selling price for the retailer will be 130 times 6380 all over 100. All over what? 100. That one will give us by short of 1. It will give us by short of 1. This and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. It will give us Stanley
8,294.
8,294 Kenya shillings. 8,294 Kenya shillings. 8,294 Kenya shillings. Then find the amount that the customer find the amount that the customer find the amount that the customer find the amount that, let me mute everybody. Find the amount that the customer pays if allowed a discount of 10%. So if in any case customer will be allowed a discount of 10%, and this is the selling price. This is the selling price. So we will treat this one. We will treat this one as what? As the marked price. We will treat it as the marked price. And always we know that the marked price, it is always at 100%. So if 100% is 82.94. Therefore, 90% will be what? Where it will be 90 times 82.94 all over 100. So when you simplify on that, you will get, by short of 1, when you simplify on that, you will get, Moti?
7464.6.
7464.60 Kenya shillings. 7464.6 Kenya shillings. So what I was saying, the buying price for the wholesaler, Elisha Lagat, you have a question? So now let me explain. The buying price for the wholesaler, it is 5,800. Then this wholesaler makes a profit of 10%. So we will calculate for the selling price of the wholesaler, where we know that selling price is simply given by buying price plus profit. It's simply given by buying price plus profit. This one is in the case of a profit, but in case of a loss, selling price is given by buying price minus profit. So you must know the two scenarios. In case of a loss, so in case of profits, selling price is given by buying price plus profit. In case of loss, selling price is given as buying price minus profit, because you will sell at a lower what? At a lower price, because you will sell it at a lower price. So after calculating the selling price for the wholesaler, this one will be the buying price for the retail trader. Now it will be the buying price for the retail trader. So we will calculate for the selling price for the retail what? Retail trader. So after calculating for the selling price for the retail trader, we find that the answer is 82.94. So after getting this, We will treat this one now as the marked price. We will treat it as the marked price. As the marked price. And marked price, it is always at 100%. It is always at 100 what? Percent. So we will say if 100% represents 8,294, therefore, after allowing a discount of 10%, so allowing a discount, meaning you will sell it at a lower price compared to the marked price. You will sell it at a lower price compared to the marked price. So we will ask ourselves, therefore, 90% will be what? So when we cross multiply, our answer will be 7464.60. Next question. Who will read for us the next question? How about John? How about?
A sales lady earns a monthly salary of 18,000.
Mhm.
She is also paid 2% commission on goods worth over 100,000.
Mhm.
In a certain month, her total earnings amounted to 25,000. Find the total amount of money received from the sales that month.
Yeah, so a sales lady earns a monthly salary of so monthly salary of 18,000 Kenya shillings. She is also paid 2% commission on goods worth over 100,000. So commission, percentage commission of 2% of goods above 100,000. Of goods above what? 100,000. In a certain month, our total earnings amounted to, so total earnings amounted to 25,000. No, 25,000. Find the total amount of money received from our sales that month. Find the total amount of money received from our sales that month. So we want to find the total amount of money received from sales. Now, Ivan Jonah, you have a question. I can see your hand is up. Ivan Jonah. Now,
So
we will find the commission earned this month. So commission earned is given by total earnings minus salary, or we can call it basic salary. So total earnings is 25,000 minus salary, which is 18,000. So when you subtract the two, you will get 7,000. When you subtract the two, you will get 7,000. So this 7,000, it is equivalent to 2%. 2%. It is equivalent to what? To 2%. So we will say if 2%, because 2% is the commission earned from sales above 100,000. 2% is the commission earned from sales above 10,000. So you say if 2% represents 7,000, therefore 100% will be what? So 100 by 7,000 all over 2. This one will give us, this one goes here once, it goes here 50 times. So this one will give us 350,000. It will give us 350,000. But remember, this person was earning a commission on sales above something. On sales above something, and this something, it is 100,000. So the total sales made, or the total sales made that month was amount he earned commission from plus 100,000, because there was no commission for the sales up to 100,000. Commission was only being earned after selling or on the sales above 100,000. So when you add the two, you will get 450,000. 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 Any question up to that point? Any question? Can someone read for us? Elisha Lagat, you have a question, or you want to read the next question?
To read the next question.
I read it. Continue.
Beatrice works from 8:45 a.m. to 5 a.m. every day from Monday to Friday, with a tea break of 30 minutes at 11 a.m. and a 40-minute lunch break at 1 p.m. On Saturday, she works from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. without any break. She's paid 230 shillings for working for 1 hour. The tea and lunch breaks are not paid. How much does she earn from Monday to Saturday?
So there was a slight error there, but Damian identified it. So that 5 a.m., it should be 5 p.m. It should be 5 p.m. So the question read, Beatrice works from, so the starting time, we will treat that starting time as the departure time, 8:45 a.m. Then the stopping time, we will treat it as the arrival time. It is 5:00 p.m., not a.m. You will change it to p.m. every day from Monday to Friday. So these ones are the working hours from Monday to Friday, with a tea break of 30 minutes, with a tea break of 30 minutes at 11:00 a.m. and 40 minutes lunch at 1:00 p.m. On Saturday, she works from, so now this is on Saturday. She works from 8:00 a.m. She works from 8:00 a.m. She works from 8:00 a.m. to 11:00 a.m. without any break. So she's paid 230 for working for 1 hour. The tea and lunch break are not paid. So how much does she earn from Monday to Saturday? So the first thing we will do, we will get the total time taken. So let us calculate the total time taken on a single day. Then we subtract the breaks. We will subtract the tea break and lunch break. Then we multiply the remaining time with 5 to get the total time taken from Monday to Friday. Is when we proceed to calculate. The time taken on Saturday. So in this case, time taken, always we know that it is given by arrival time minus departure time. And our arrival time here, it is 5:00. So we will convert it into 24-hour clock system, where it will be 17:00 minus 8:45. Minus 8:40 what? 45. So here we will be remaining with 16. We are borrowing 1, which entails a total of 60 minutes. We are borrowing 1, which entails a total of 60 minutes. So 45 minus 60 will give us 15. Then 16 minus 8 will give us 8. So time taken between 8:45 to 5 p.m. it is a total of 8:15 hours. Then the stoppages, the tea break lasts for 30 minutes. Plus lunch break lasts for 40 minutes. So when you add the two, you will get a total of 70 minutes. So when you convert this total of 70 minutes, it is in equivalent to 1 hour, 10 minutes. It is in equivalence to 1 hour, 10 minutes. So when you subtract the two from the total time taken, we will be having 7 hours, 5 minutes. So this is the total working duration, So the total working duration, it is 7 hours, 5 minutes. 7 hours, 5 minutes. 7 hours, 5 minutes. Then we multiply it by 5. So 705 times 5. This one will give us a total of 35 hours, 25 minutes. 35 hours, 25 minutes. Then time taken on Saturday will be 11:00 minus 8:00. This one will give us, this one, it lasts for a duration of 3 hours. It lasts for a duration of 3 hours. It lasts for a duration of 3 hours. Then now the total time will be 35 plus 3, which will give us 38 without forgetting 25 minutes. So to get the amount of money earned during this day, we will convert everything into hours. So converting everything into hours is very simple. Converting everything into hours is very simple. It is 38, 25 all over 60. It is 38, 25 all over 60. I'm converting minutes into hours. So 5 goes here 5 times. It goes here 12 times. So 38, 5 over 12 times 230 will give us which amount? The answer there will give us which amount? Basil George.
It will give us 8835.83.
It will give us 8835.83 Kenya shilling. It will give us 8835 Kenya shillings. So the last question will remain as the assignment. So what we will discuss tomorrow, I'll send it to you before the end of the day. I'll share it with you before the end of the day. So that marks the end of our today's class. I'm still wishing you a happy new year. Let this one be the year of success in your academic journey. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Have a break of roughly 19 minutes. So 5 minutes to time, you will be in the waiting room waiting for the Kiswahili lesson. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Chair.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you.